Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Audi A3 Sport. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Amalfi White and looks in nice condition for the edge mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats, being the Sport, are really supportive. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your pop-up display, which comes out the dashboard for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, and then the electric mirror and 4 window controls are there on the driver's door. Being the 5-door version, the car's nice and practical, so a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for the rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Audi as well. On the A3, as you open the tailgate, you've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which is adjustable, you can lower it if you wish. You've got your space saver wheels, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with the front fog lights and the 17-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend that up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.